Hey everyone, Looney here, and today we're doing a little bit of vehicle maintenance on the old Dodge here, and I was going to swap out. We're going to swap out the wiper blade. So let's have a look at well, what I should have done. Now here, this wiper blade, actually, it's hard to see. It has separated. So it's time to change it. I have dragged it on long enough. Winter's coming and we need to swap it out. So I went to the parts store, looked up in their catalog what size I need, and I guess that was my first mistake, because this is a 20-inch. It recommended a 20-inch. However, if we take out my measuring tape here, which was something that I should have done before I went to get it. As you can see here, we're at 25 inches or 64 centimeters, which is not what I got. So I gotta go get the right one. So pro tip, measure your wiper blades, or get a reliable source which tells you what size you really need. This size has been good. I don't know if that is actually the recommended size, but it doesn't interfere with anything and it works well. So I'm going to go back with what I had on there, 25 centimeter or 25 inch, not the 20 inch that I have here. So we'll go get that and we'll be back. All right, so I got the right one. I'm gonna see if right. So let's take the new one out. It's 24 inches anyways. It's 60 centimeters. It's gonna be possibly slightly smaller, but it was either 24 or 26, and well. So let's see if we can get this out of here. There we go. I do like, there are other styles, but I do like this style because for here, for winter, this doesn't, or actually collects snow and ice a little bit less. And yeah, so it comes with extra bits, but we really don't need all these extra pieces, because what we have here is a little flap that opens up and it slides into this. At least it should slide into this one. Let's show you what it is on the vehicle. So here we go. Got this little flap. As you pull down here, I'm trying to look underneath. It should just slide. It's hard to do with one hand. Right, let's see if we can angle you. Okay, there we go. It should just slide. I should have loosened it up before I started the filming process. There's like a little tab in there. Oh, there we go. So it just slides back. So what it is this little piece slides in to that. And if we take a look here, we should have the same setup here. So this process should be quite easy. All you need to do is carefully get that angled so you sneak that, there we go, just like that, and it should lock in there like so. There we go. You hear that little click, locks in there. Put that little tab down and there we go. You're gonna want to take this, there's a plastic piece on there covering the yeah, it's a tad shorter, but that's fine. It's better than this. So Yeah, and it was separating here too. They don't last too long, really. They don't. With the heat and the cold we get here, extremes of heat and cold. But anyways, there's the quick and dirty way to swap out your wipers. Now, of course, if you have a different brand or year of car, the attachment might be different, and you may need some of these extra bits. So just pay close attention to what kind of attachment you have on your vehicle. You should be fine. Well, thanks for watching, and as always, do what you love what you do. Till next time, bye for now.